Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. First I'm going to make a little template of a gingerbread man, and I'm just going to use this scrap piece of paper, and I'll just kind of roughly draw out what I want it to look like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back tomorrow for the rest of my 25 days of holiday themed jewelry that will be going on through December 25th. And then I'll cut out my little gingerbread man. You can keep that scrap piece of paper for future projects. I'll take a little brown and some white and mix it together to get a light brown color. And this is my color I came up with. I'll flatten it and give it a nice gentle roll. I'm going to place it on this piece of paper, and I will put my template on there and cut out the shape. Just put them on there and save some room for my second one when I'm done. Find it easiest to use an X-Acto knife when cutting out shapes like this from a template. And just take your time and follow the lines all the way around. And I'll remove my little gingerbread man from the cutout. And then I'll go ahead and place my template on there and make my second one. I'm going to use this texturing brush to give them texture on the front and back and sides. And I'm going to use this candy cane, and I showed you how to make that a few videos back. I'll put a link for that in the description box below. But I'll just take a piece, cut it off, and just roll it out a little bit. When it's pretty thin, I'll just begin twisting it together. I'm going to wrap this around his neck, as crazy as that sounds, and then just cut off a section and tuck it in. This will be his little candy cane scarf. And I'll put another one right there at the corner. I'll cut off the excess. I have flattened the very end, and I'm using my X-Acto knife to make the little lacy frill that goes on the bottom of a scarf. I'll use some red clay to make him a cute little hat. Just make it into a triangle shape, and then you want it to be the same shape as his little dome, so you'll want to bend it up a little bit to give it that crescent moon shape. Bend over the tip of it. Place that on his little gingerbread man head. Take a little piece of the candy cane, and I'll make a little ball and put that right there on the end of his little hat. And again, I'll wrap some of the candy cane around the bottom of his hat just to finish it off. And then tuck those little pieces in. I'm going to roll out some more of that candy cane and make tiny little balls, just 2 of them. And then I'll roll out some more of that red clay, make 2 for each side. And I'll go ahead and poke little holes where I want those little dots to go. Once you get them in there, give them a nice little pat to keep them all in place. Do the same for the other side. Then I'll take some black clay and cut off little dots. And again, I'll put little holes where I want his eyes to go. If you want them to be a little bit deeper, you can use an eye hook pin here. Just make them deeper. And then just place those little eyeballs in there. And then give them a nice little pat to keep them all in place. I'll take a little bit of that candy cane, make a little ball, and then take my little eye hook pin here, or needle tool. Make a hole in the middle. Just kind of maneuver that a little bit. Want it to be like in a little oval kind of a shape with a hole in the middle. And then I'll put that there for his mouth. Oh no! Again, the candy cane. And I'll cut off little pieces. And I'll put these on his limbs. Go ahead and pre-poke the eye hook holes at the top there where the hat's at. And then place in my eye hooks. And then my little gingerbread man is ready to bake. And these are them. You can put resin on them if you want, or you can leave them plain like I did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!